When I arrived to Israel, I read Eliade, but I read Eliade much more in order to improve my English rather than to study religion. So, but it was fascinating to read him.
Yes.
For sure, it was not metacritical reading. It was just consuming what he said,
Right.
which was very attractive.
Right.
And slowly, after many, many years, I became disillusioned with his views.
Yes.
I wrote a whole book on
Yes,
this.
yes, yes.
So in Romania, I never heard about him because he was persona non grata
Right. Right.
in this religion.
Right.
Then I discovered that there were rumors about his far right views,
Right.
which became even more interesting. And then started the polemics about him in early 90s. I started to speak with people who were experts in Romanian affairs. And it was simply fascinating
Yes.
to discover some repressed aspects of his history, which has to do also with his scholarship.
Yes.